When you talk about the strength of a bumble-clot black woman, oh, mighty God!
I am a woman of purpose. I will stand bold like 10,000 lioness. I will keep mind and heart as far. I fly free in a this giddy I'm a woman of
This is what a lot of people don't show you. Yeah, the hair look good, but my arm is out of commission. I've got bilateral nerve damage. Some things you do just to keep your mental peace. I'm on a fixed income. I ain't buying no product. So we're about to find a solution for a stress-free, pain-free life. Let's go. That's a lot of hair, brother. You can't take it down a little bit more?
Oh, yeah, I can.
Oh, yeah, take it down, man. Take that down. This looks like I'm 2 weeks out and I need to come to you. Take it down. Get you a master barber. Hey, you chop a lot of heads, okay? On a regular. Sometimes you gotta lose the weight, folks. It's on and popping. It's local election time. Local elections count. Check out your local re-election campaigns. Hey, I know them dentists are working with this damn thing. I'm not gonna live for them. Go ahead now. Yeah, spray me again. Spray me again.
Oh.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
You wanna be somebody. If you wanna go somewhere, you better wake up and pay. Yeah. Attention. Sit at a barbershop, baby. They'll get you right. I look like Ambassador alone. Oh, this feels so good. So light. So liberating.
I am a woman of purpose. I will stand bold like 10,000 lioness. I will keep mind and heart as far. I fly free in a this giddy